Welcome to a Dr. Schar virtual tour, an insight into our heritage as pioneers of the gluten-free market and a peek into our state-of-the-art, dedicated gluten-free bakery located in Swedesboro, New Jersey. It all started with Dr. Schar, a medical doctor practicing in Italy who developed a range of food products for children with gastrointestinal complaints. Our founder and president, Ulrich Lederner, took the helm and worked with doctors and celiac societies to develop a comprehensive gluten-free product line that was initially only available at pharmacies in Italy. The Dr. Schar R&D Center was established in Italy. The team is dedicated to the study of new and alternative ingredients and the development of new recipes to improve the nutritional and sensory profile of our products. With 35 years of experience, we are Europe's #1 in gluten-free. Dr. Schar expanded quickly. You can find our gluten-free products in over 80 countries around the world. We have 6 production sites internationally. Across the Atlantic, Dr. Schar USA was established. Today, we're the fastest-growing gluten-free brand in the U.S., from our gluten-free bakery in Swedesboro, New Jersey. We work very closely with farmers growing gluten-free grains just for us. Ancient grains such as quinoa, buckwheat, millet, and amaranth make wholesome and tasty breads that are ready to be devoured straight out of the package. It's not just what goes into our breads, it's about what doesn't too. We choose not to add dairy, eggs, preservatives, and GMOs, and it goes without saying, no gluten. We test all raw materials, including packaging, for gluten before anything enters our facilities. Then all our products are tested throughout the entire production process to ensure there is no chance of cross-contamination. We use a special packaging process too. This, along with our unique recipe, is why our breads are soft and moist for 4 months when unopened, without adding any preservatives. We do all these things to help our gluten-free consumers savor more of life's best things. Jam-speckled smiles over breakfast toast, crisp yet milk-drenched cookies, an unexpected text message from an old friend, and a bedtime story followed by some well-deserved me time, because it's the free things in life we consider to be the best. Dr. Schar's mission is to improve the lives of people with special nutritional needs.
What's been the hardest part of this disease for you? Has it gotten better or easier over time?
There's so many things that are going on in your body, mentally, physically, and you feel like you're all by yourself, like you're crazy. This isn't happening to anybody else. And then you hear other stories and you're like, oh my God, this happens to other people too.
It's nice when you know you're not the only one going through it.
Yeah, those things are very, very important, to feel supported.
How has this affected your social life?
I was timid. It was almost a fear. I mean, like, I noticed I pulled back a lot, and that's not a fun place to be.
I definitely think it can be scary. Getting friends to understand that you're not trying to be picky. I just went to a party and I had a girlfriend go out of her way to get safe food options for me. And that's where the supportive friendship and supportive partner comes in.
Because of my disease, what are the biggest changes that you've had to make?
One simple dinner can take 5 to 6 hours, if not days.
Even though that it sounds like a lot of work, it's worth it because then you get to have something so delicious.
Schar is one of the first brands that we found after being diagnosed. They're delicious and it makes our lives easy.